Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I just spotted this Toyota Tacoma, and what is really interesting is the size of the mud flaps behind it. You don't see this very often. I wonder how that works when it's so low. How you go off-road with something like this and not rip it off immediately, and there is only like 3 inches towards to the ground, right? This is the rear one, which is way higher, but look at the front one. It's crazy. Anyway, if any of you know what is this for mod and why it works, please share it in the comments under the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.